Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at the Motorola Edge 2023. So in this video, we'll do an unboxing. We'll see what we get inside. We'll check out some of the features and specs. We'll try out the phone and I'll let you know what I think of it. So it comes in this tan box, just like the 2022 version. Motorola is keeping everything simple. We've got the Motorola logo front and center, Edge at the bottom, 2023 edition, and that's what's on the back side. So we'll go ahead and open this up and we'll see what we get inside. So the phone is right on top. We will take a look at that in a little bit, see what else we get in the box. So no charging brick. That is a bummer. Wish they would bring that back. Paying all this money for these phones. Should at least come with a charging brick. So inside the box, you get some documentation, meet your Motorola Edge, and your SIM tool. You also get a nice USB-C cable. Very nice. So the moment everyone's been waiting for, and myself included. Check out the phone. All right, guys, here is the phone. It is very slim, and this has a vegan leather back, they say. And it's nice and soft, guys. Got the Motorola branding right in the middle. You've got your dual camera lenses and the flash. This is slim and light. It's got curved edges. So we've got an aluminum body. We've got vegan leather back, and then we've got the curved glass. I do not know if this has any kind of Gorilla Glass protection. I'll have to look that up. But yeah, guys, this is very, very nice. So we've got your power button on the side there. You've got your volume rocker, and you've got your SIM tray, USB-C port, and some speakers. This does have surround sound with Dolby Atmos. So yeah, let's turn it on. So we got powered by Android.
Hello, Moto.
Nice. All right, guys, I'm gonna pause the video. We're gonna set this up and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we are back and set up. Man, this phone has a beautiful screen. So we've got a curved screen here. Again, this is aluminum frame with vegan leather in the back. It's super soft and feels nice in hand, but the screen feels very delicate. I'm still gonna get a case for this. I don't know if they have screen protectors. That's the only downside of these screens with a curve. Not many options for screen protectors on them. But I'll have to see if there's anything out there for this, because I'd hate to break this. But yeah, it's super lightweight and it feels good in hand. And here is the 22 version. The screen size is the same, but the 2022 to me looks a little bit bigger because it doesn't have the curvature on the screen. It just looks like it's a more wide screen. But as far as the sizing goes, they're both 6.6 inch. As far as weight goes, 2023 maybe just a tad bit heavier. Again, this one has a plastic back. But yeah, overall, this thing is clean. So again, just like the 2022 version, this has the 6.5 inch screen, 6.6 inch screen. It's got 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and it's got that 144 Hertz refresh rate. Let's make sure it's on real quick. Why can't I find settings? Oh my God, it's right in my face. All right, let's check out the display. So it's at 53% brightness, and it is bright, guys. I don't like adaptive brightness, like dark theme. All them updates. Relax, yo. All right, so these are your refresh rate settings here. Chill out. All right, so these are the refresh rate settings here. We've got 60 Hertz, 120, and 144. We're going straight to 144. And we'll just play around with that for a little bit and see what battery life is like with that. Nice and quick. Nice and smooth. Yo, I like this. Yeah, that screen is beautiful, guys, and it's at 53%. I think that's all I need. And the biggest thing about this phone versus the 2022 is that this has IPX68 water and dust resistance. The other one didn't have that. And I was always afraid to take it out with me because I didn't want to accidentally drop it in the snow because it's wintertime here. I didn't want to drop it in the snow, get it wet, and then it die on me. So with this one being IP68 water resistance, I won't have to worry so much about it when I'm out and about. And I'll opt taking this out more than I did with the previous one because, again, I was always worried it being wintertime and snow everywhere. I didn't want to damage it with getting it wet. All right, guys, so this is just an unboxing in a first impression video. And so far, I'm impressed. The screen is beautiful. It's so, yeah, I like it. I don't know what to say. I like it. And that brightness at 53%, it's on point, man. It's crystal clear. Let me just go over some of the features and specs real quick in case I miss anything. All right, so right out the gate, this one is rocking Android 13. We've got 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage space. It's got a MediaTek Dimensity 730 processor. It's similar to the old one with a 1050. So performance-wise, they should be similar. And then we've got, oh man, there's some things that I almost forgot that made me want to switch up to this one. So also, this one has 68 watts fast charging. You can charge up from like 0 to 100 in like 20 minutes. That's crazy. And then it's also got 15 watts wireless charging, and it's got 5 watts reverse charging, meaning that you can charge up, say, your AirPods, your earbuds, wireless earbuds, and even, I don't know, maybe if you have 2 phones. That's one big thing that the other one does not have. So on this phone, the camera is similar to the 2022 version. We've got a 50 megapixel main camera with OIS. We've got a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera plus macro. And then the front camera is a 32 megapixel. I will test that out later and create a separate video.